10 p.m. Our flight leaves at 5 a.m., which means we have to leave here at 3 a.m. And we're currently dyeing my hair.
Yeah.
And drinking Sobek. Because that is
what we were recommended to do.
That's how you prepare for a flight. If you're ever gonna travel anywhere, you leave everything to the night before, which I still haven't packed, by the way. You leave everything to the night before, and you dye your hair and drink Sobek. We should have left a tiny bit earlier. I woke up a little bit late. Not that late though, just a little bit. We're waiting for the bus.
It's like we call it when we play red light, green light.
Oh. Yeah.
It just got a little bit closer.
Oh, it's coming. Okay. President. That's from a song.
I don't know.
Where are we right now? We're going to conference. The Elixir. Oh, probably because I've been in there. Churro waffles. Cecilia. Oh, it looks so good. So just a little tour. I have the top bunk. Cecilia's down there. There's other strangers over there, but they're not here. There's a bathroom.
New York is very noisy.
I feel like it never sleeps, like, for real. Like all from the day and night. There's people. You know, eventually there's a point where downtown gets pretty empty.
Where's UB? There you are. I can see.
You know, sometimes there's like a point in like Chicago where like it gets kind of quiet. There's only a couple people downtown. I feel like New York all the time. There's like dozens of people on the street everywhere. It's crazy. We're tired though.
I'm over it.
We've been awake for a really long time. We woke up at 3 a.m. We only got like 2 hours of sleep because we were dyeing my hair. So like we'll start earlier tomorrow.
A harassment caught on camera again.
No harassment. Where are my hands?
Please look at me in the face with your foot. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. It'd be tiny. And then there's the sink, and there's this is the shower. Oh. I haven't been here yet. There's a stool in the shower. I hope they didn't bring that. Evacuation plan.
Off topic, but all the food today was really good. I was thinking about it because thinking about how the lattes I had all had soy milk, and all the food today was really good. What did we have? We had a bagel, we had coffee.
What's the place called that you went to?
Cafe Calbia, they were great. Are you happy?
Yeah.
That looks good. Wait, I'm not ready. Bam. And we found cream puffs.
Cream puffs, ube cream puffs, pistachio cream puffs.
Cakey.
Kiki, it's called Kiki with K.
Cakey.
Kiki.
Cakey.
Kiki.
Cakey. Let's bounce in the background. Are we gonna do it? So it's basically cream and pound cake, and it's so good. And this is how I'm gonna die. Like, who needs this much pound cake? You got a cream puff like a normal person, and they're like cream wings or cream sandwich, and I was like, done, sold. Oh my god, look at how big it is. Update, I feel like I was right. Nobody should have this much cream. I feel awful. It was delicious. I recommend it.
Hey girls, keep an eye on.
Ooh.
It tastes more like milk and ube, but it's still really tasty. It's really refreshing. And so one is $4, but you can get 3 for $10, which I didn't know until after the fact. But considering the amounts of flavors they have, I think 3 for $10 is probably a better deal.
And just like that, we're in Little Italy. So we went to the candy store, and I've never seen the banana gummies. I'm sure they have them in other places, but I've never seen them. And also, they're turtle gummies, but they're actually filled with like a liquid.
Looks like brains.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna try this one first. I want to bite it, but I want to get a gummy. Oh wow. It's like creamy and like raspberry-y. That's really good. It's like banana flavored Laffy Taffy, which I don't like, but like better. Dumplings for like $4, $5.
Yeah. Wait, no. You have 8 dumplings for $4? 5. So it's 8 of the vegetable dumplings for $5, and these are the chicken basil dumplings for what, $2.50?
Also, this lemon tea for $2.50 that I just tried is fucking amazing. Oh my god.
Yes. Oh, yeah. So that's the margarita? Oh, vodka pizza. This is an artichoke pizza. And this is a crab pizza.
Oh, I don't like it. This one? The vodka one? Tastes kind of like lasagna. And it's more bread than sauce. It's definitely like a breadier pizza.
But in other situations, if you call a guy cute, it can be totally cool.
So, how is it?
It's really good. It's crunchy. Maybe it was crunchy because it was sitting out for a while. Creamy seafood soup. There you go. It's like creamy seafood soup with like some like toasted bread. Yeah, it's good.
This one tastes like fettuccine alfredo in my opinion. It's the artichoke one. It's really good.
Hello, friend.
Hello, friend.
Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can hear it. I'm pretty sure you can. Whoa, the ceiling looks really cool with the camera. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. It's not really whispering though. And this is for like tall people. You have to be like right there. Hi, friend. Hi, friend.
So the thing we didn't anticipate is that it's actually really hard to eat this much food. Like, not like we can do it, but we're actually like, we just had breakfast, but then we stumbled across these donuts. It doesn't taste like candy. Well, it tastes kind of like, I guess it does kind of taste like candy corn.
A little bit. A little waxy.
Yeah.
That's candy corn. Wow.
A chunk for you and a chunk for me. Wow. It's instantly too much. I could taste it in every bite.
Hello, everyone. We're eating again.
Very on brand for us. This time dumplings.
Again.
Again.
This is our third time eating dumplings in New York.
Yep.
Mine is pretty simple. It's just chicken with squash and turnip. Yeah.
They're called like Thai dumplings or something. They're called something different, but they're called dumpling galaxy here.
It's recommended that you use cash and not card if you can. It's pretty cheap. Okay, bye.